Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Butter up someone. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Once, a man wanted a promotion at work. He thought he could get it by literally buttering up his boss with a stick of butter. But that's not what the idiom means. Another story. Sue thought she could get a promotion by bringing butter to her boss. She thought she was buttering him up. But she was wrong. She didn't get the promotion. Buttering up someone means to flatter or compliment someone to get something you want. To clarify, butter up someone means to flatter or compliment someone to gain their favor or get something you want. It's often used in a negative context, suggesting that someone is being insincere in their flattery. To remember the meaning, think of someone spreading butter on bread to make it more appealing. Similarly, when you butter up someone, you're making yourself more appealing to them. Let me give you a story. Samantha wanted a raise, so she decided to butter up her boss with compliments. Her boss saw through her insincere flattery and didn't give her the raise. Moral of the story: don't try to butter up your boss if you're not sincere. Buttering up someone can backfire. Here are fun facts about butter up someone. Fact 1. The idiom originated in the 1800s when butter was used as a metaphor for flattery. Fact 2. In some cultures, giving butter as a gift is a sign of respect and affection. Fact 3. The idiom is often used in politics. Fact 4. The phrase butter up comes from the idea of softening something by applying butter. Fact 5. The idiom is often used in the media and advertising. Fact 6. The idiom is often used in business. Here are 5 example sentences illustrating the usage of butter up someone. 1. She tried to butter up the teacher to get a good grade. 2. He was buttering up his boss to get a promotion. 3. She was buttering up her in-laws to get them to like her. 4. He was buttering up the audience to get their vote. 5. She was buttering up her date to get a second one. Buttering up someone is often used in a negative context, suggesting insincerity. Sentence: I buttered up my boss to get the day off. Rephrased sentence 1. I flattered my boss to get the day off. Rephrased sentence 2. I complimented my boss to get the day off. This exercise helps you understand the meaning of the idiom better. Let me share a real-life story. A man wanted to ask his boss for a raise, but he was nervous. He decided to butter up his boss by complimenting his work. To his surprise, his boss was receptive and offered him the raise. Buttering up someone can be effective when done sincerely. Here are some similar expressions to butter up someone. 1. Suck up to someone. 2. Kiss up to someone. 3. Brown-nose someone. These expressions have similar meanings to butter up someone and are often used interchangeably. Here are some opposite expressions to butter up someone. 1. Insult someone. 2. Criticize someone. 3. Offend someone. These expressions have opposite meanings to butter up someone. Here are some related idioms to butter up someone. 1. Sweet talk someone. 2. Flatter someone. 3. Stroke someone's ego. These idioms have similar meanings to butter up someone and are often used interchangeably. Let me give you a story using the related idiom sweet talk someone. John wanted to borrow his friend's car. He sweet-talked his friend by complimenting his car. His friend lent him the car. Moral of the story: sweet-talking someone can be effective. Here's a quiz to test your understanding of the idiom. 1. What does butter up someone mean? A. To insult someone. B. To flatter or compliment someone. C. To criticize someone. Answer: B. Buttering up someone means to flatter or compliment someone to gain their favor or get something you want. To summarize, butter up someone means to flatter or compliment someone to gain their favor or get something you want. It's often used in a negative context, suggesting that someone is being insincere in their flattery. Remember, sincerity is key when buttering up someone.